I don't know how to begin.
You want to go talk to them?
No. Oh my god. He knows this man. Oh, take that shit.
On May 9, 2025, police got a call, and when officers arrived, they quickly realized something was seriously wrong. In this video, you'll see why addiction can turn a normal day into a pure chaos.
I can't hear you.
Yeah. Oh.
Do you need something? You want to talk to anybody?
Nope.
You take anything?
Nope.
You want rescue? Alright, well, downstairs needs to talk to you. Because I guess you're breaking
Yeah,
something.
I know. Yeah, I figured it out.
Alright,
Yeah, I'm not brought canines.
figured it. I'm gonna
It's
talk
my fucking hell. I don't know how to begin.
to you want to go talk to them?
No. Yeah, I'll see what's happening.
Okay.
Yeah, oh, now I really figure it out. Go.
If you don't come down,
No, I'll do whatever the you want. Whew. I'll see what you're saying. I'll do. We're gonna get folks. My number one right there. Oh, my mama told me I was gonna be something. Hey, guess what?
well,
I am the one. Yeah. Whole reality of everything. Oh, we got a serious glitch. He knows this man. Oh, let's take that shit to trial. I get it. Yeah, go. Oh my God. Oh my God.
what is this? Turn around!
I figured it out.
Turn around!
I figured it out. I'm in hell.
Turn around.
I'm in hell.
Give the other hand.
I'm in hell.
Give your other hand.
I'm in hell.
Give your other hand.
I'm freaking hell.
You're gonna get popped again.
I'm gone. I got it. I'm gone. We got it. I'm gone. Get up.
Got it.
Please just stop. Alright, I'm sorry. No, I'm really figuring it out. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah. I'm the king.
Come on.
Oh, fuck.
Taser.
Oh, fuck. Oh my God.
Put your
Oh
hands to your
God.
chest.
I know. I got it.
Yeah, this guy's just giving us hard time.
That's me. This is oh God. I see why y'all do this. I see why y'all
Let's just keep them like this. Rescue will come. And
Yep.
We're 10-4. We're 15. Taser deployment. We'll just roll a third for right now and have rescue move in. We're just gonna strap this guy to the stretcher to move him out of here.
Oh my God. Oh, fuck. Everything's me and my big dick bitch.
What did you take today, dude?
Oh, my I'm gonna be so weird. Y'all fucked up.
Not
So,
doing that.
Relax.
I figured it out now. Yes, I'm trying to take the focus off me. But no. Just put me back in hell. I'm gone. They ain't gonna fuck me up. Cause yeah, I got been stuck in these things. I figured it out. I'm the God. I'm the chosen one. My big dick
Want
everything.
to tell me your name?
Yeah, my baby, go get that motherfucking big dick. Oh, now I got it.
We're up on the third floor.
I got it. All right. I'm sorry. Take everything off. Let me walk away. You know what? I want to hug you, buddy. And get everybody kisses. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Relax.
Oh my God. I am the
Relax.
jackpot in reality. Oh my God. I'm doing. Oh, it's all me.
You gotta wear yourself.
Oh,
Stop. Just stop.
oh,
Out the hell out.
fucking God.
Chill.
Ow.
Chill. Alright?
All right.
Chill.
All right, now I figured it out. Yeah, because I keep doing the same moves. I'm just going to figure it out now. We're going to keep doing this over and over for 1 trillion more years.
Took some bad something today.
Uh-huh. Okay. I hit the fucking jackpot. Oh, and I'm so glad I told you, my best friend, right there. I love her, God. We hit that fucking jackpot, honey. Love comes true, fucking jackpot, man. Dude, I'll fucking kill someone for her. I had the fucking, reality. Behold, compare. Ain't nothing stopping. No other forms of reality. No, I just gotta be my big dick. I gotta be my big dick, my best friend.
Don't jump.
Alright, I got it.
You good now?
Yeah.
You gonna get up and walk with us, or you're gonna continue doing this?
For sure.
You gonna walk with us?
Guarantee.
You sure?
Alright, so.
If you do any of this crazy shit,
I
you're gonna
figured
get
it
bumped
out.
again. You understand?
Figured it out.
You good?
Yeah.
You want to stand up?
Absolutely. Because I know I have that
Come
jackpot.
on.
I hit the fucking grand.
Yep. Ready? There we go.
Yeah! The whole reality of here we go,
Alright.
Yep, I figured it out.
You figured it out?
I figured it out.
Alright, well walk and figure it out. Good on, man.
Oh,
What do you need?
I'm really.
I know.
I am now.
Just walk. Come on. What do you need? Huh?
Why would you do this?
I can't hear a word.
Why would you?
No, no.
Hey! Woo!
This?
I know it.
Come on.
Oh, I know.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
You can walk with
Yeah, I'm gone.
Stairs.
I'm gone because y'all can't stop me. Because I'm. Yeah.
Go to the elevator.
I'm gone.
Okay.
I'm gone.
Because this guy's gonna fall down.
Yeah.
Chill out, man.
Oh! Oh, the reality!
Stop showing up.
Oh!
We're good. We
I
got
know,
guys.
yes. Give it up for one. Give it up. Oh.
What's happening?
Because I fucking know it's all happening.
First day I put the taser back
Oh,
on.
God.
It's been off for 6 months.
I'm the go. Nothing more.
Oh, he took some back.
Yo! No, Jack, no. Oh, reality, everything. Oh, reality. Oh, yeah.
Just like yesterday.
Stop.
Yeah, it's just like that.
Just like that, stop. I'll go.
Closest cruiser?
Nope.
It's not gonna be mine because I gotta go back upstairs.
It's gonna be my hell.
Mine's up
Get
there.
out.
Next one's right
The
there. Yeah.
reality. Hands
Or
on.
we'll put him in mine and someone just has to stand guard.
Yep. I got you.
Oh, the reality. It's not go. What you got?
This way? Yeah, I got you. Come on.
That's it. All right. This is my hell.
Hey,
My hell.
get in the car.
All of me.
Put your butt in.
All of them.
Put your butt in.
And that's why you are stopping.
Yup.
I'm good.
Put your head all the way in, buddy.
Oh!
Hey, you're all wrapped up, man.
Yep.
Yeah.
You got him?
Seatbelt. You got him?
You got him? You put him in?
Yeah.
Put him in.
Grab him, pull him.
All right, ready?
Ready? Yep.
Yep. The reality.
Yeah.
Yep.
Just get in the car. There you
No. I want true. True.
Feet in.
All over me.
go. I'll hold it for you. Just watch. Ready? All right. You're free right there, okay?
You just stop.
Oh, there we go. Can you sit up?
No, because I'm hell.
Can you sit up though? That'd be cool.
That's so me to do.
Hey, can you sit up so I can check the blood pressure and get the taser brought
Yeah,
out?
because I get the reality. Yeah.
That's fine. Can you put your feet down here though?
That's the hell.
What's your name? What's your name?
I'm gone.
Okay.
With my best friend.
Hey.
With a perfect life. Oh God. That
Hey,
makes
you know
me God.
what make you feel like grounded?
God.
Put your feet right here. Put your feet right here.
Alright.
Alright, let's stand up. Let's stand up.
Please don't do this. Like,
Yeah, we gotta do this, man. Let's stand up. I'm gonna need a hand though. He's like
How do I say it? I get it.
Okay, come on. Stand up. Stand up.
That's my
Use your
hell.
feet.
That's my hell. That's my
Yeah,
hell.
yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine.
Oh my God. Oh.
Neo, get out.
No.
I don't want to be God.
You're not gonna die. We're gonna save you.
He's just gonna be like dead weight. Yeah, there you go. There we go. Hey, we're walking.
You're killing it.
You are killing it.
Face up.
I get it.
Right there.
I get it.
Right there.
Alright.
Almost. Sweet. Sweet. There you go. Okay. Perfect. Look at that.
Every time now.
We'll switch the things in front if you want. And the,
Oh my God!